Would you like to know about a crypto gem that has the potential to 100 to 1000x your money, turning $1,000 into 100,000, if not $1 million? In today's video, I will reveal the project to you, why I think it will perform very well, what is the realistic price potential, and also how you can easily buy the coin. My name is Crypto Hype, and I am an expert in finding low market cap coins before they explode. I have some of my publicly called results on screen now. If you're looking for the next big investment opportunity, be sure to watch this video until the end. You won't want to miss out on this top crypto project. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment #Shiba Inu. Good luck. Before I reveal the name of the project, I recommend watching the entire video so you can find out why I am bullish on the project, what my price predictions and targets are, and also how you can easily buy the token. Also, please remember that this content is not financial advice. Investing in the crypto market is risky, but investing in microcaps is very risky. So be sure to do your own research to know if this is right for you. And if you do invest, then only invest what you can afford to lose in a worst case scenario. So the name of the gem is 0xN. Currently, 0xN is priced at 36 cents with a market cap of $3.6 million. What is 0xN? Now, I have spoken about OXN on this channel before, but there were some issues as one day after my video their official Twitter account was suspended, which can really hinder the growth of a project. This has been a common issue amongst crypto projects over the past few weeks and has hindered the growth of a lot of projects. But the OXN Twitter account is now back, and they have applied for corporate verification, which will secure the account. This takes a few days to approve, but it is a positive development. But back to it, what is OXN? OXN is the first project offering a service against SIM swap fraud. Customers can buy a number from their bot to create an account either on Telegram or Twitter. 0x Number is a project focused on privacy-centric number ownership. 0x Number enhances security by generating unique, non-reusable numbers, preventing the risks associated with SIM swap fraud. This method ensures each number is singular and secure, offering a safer alternative to traditional number systems. Essentially, it is a fully decentralized way to get phone numbers for account verification whilst also keeping users protected against SIM swap fraud. For those that don't know, SIM swap fraud is when someone contacts a mobile network provider pretending to be you and gets a SIM card sent out to them with your mobile number on it, meaning they can get access to some of your accounts on social media, or even in worst case scenarios get access to your crypto exchange accounts. It is an issue that plagues the crypto industry, and people have lost millions to SIM swap fraud. Fortunately, 0xN has created a decentralized solution to this problem. Why have I invested in 0xN? Well, I am going to break it down and give you the main reasons why it is a phenomenal project to hold. First off, the use case alone is great. As I mentioned earlier, SIM swap fraud is a serious problem and millions of dollars have been stolen from people, and there is really no other solution to the problem than 0xN. One of the biggest cases of SIM swap fraud was when the official SEC Twitter account was hacked. The hackers used SIM swap fraud, so this tells you how big a problem this is, and the bigger a problem is, the more valuable the solution is. If we look at this comparison between 0xN and a conventional number, we can see that 0xN offers far more benefits than the conventional number. The key things that stand out are SIM swap protection, KYC free, decentralized, and you can purchase with crypto, and there is 24/7 live support. It has the potential to be used by thousands of crypto investors, and the more the use case is used, the more the token's value will increase. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons I am bullish on 0xN, and that is the various top-tier partnerships they have. First off, let's take a look at their partnership with Google. They first announced the partnership on Twitter a few days ago, and they said the following: "We're proud to announce that 0x Number is now part of the prestigious Google Cloud Partner Program. This transformative partnership grants 0x Number access to the extensive resources and specialized expertise of Google Cloud, especially in the realm of Web3 technologies. By integrating Google Cloud's advanced tools and technologies with our unique approach to number ownership and security, we aim to enhance our platform's capabilities significantly." This is a really bullish development coming from 0xN, but this is only scratching the surface, as they have another massive partnership with IBM. They announced this on Twitter a couple of weeks ago, where they said the following: "Today, we are excited to announce a significant milestone in our journey: 0x Number's collaboration with the IBM Partner Plus. This partnership marks the beginning of a transformative era for 0x Number. one where we leverage IBM's unparalleled expertise and resources to further proliferate our mission to give DeFi a safer and more secure standing. But the craziest part is that these two partnerships aren't even the biggest ones that 0xN has. They came to Twitter to announce a partnership with Amazon Web Service, and they said the following: 0x Number and AWS, charting the future of DeFi with unrivaled privacy and security. In an exhilarating leap forward, 0x Number has joined forces with Amazon Web Services through the AWS global startup, embarking on a mission to revolutionize number ownership via decentralized finance. This partnership is not just a collaboration, it's a beacon of innovation, privacy, and security in the DeFi space, setting a new benchmark for what's possible. 3 absolutely massive partnerships that help 0xN case. They also have various partnerships with different Web3 projects like OatC, Paul AI, Laundry Ecosystem, Sentiment AI, and Vault Tech, and the project has also been audited by Companion Bot. They also recently announced 2 new partnerships, one with CryptoCart and one with X Alpha AI. These are all amazing partnerships that will help to support 0xN. And that brings us to the third reason I am bullish on 0xN, and that is the revenue share that it offers. 0xN offers weekly revenue share, and the best part is that you only need to hold 0.3% of the total supply, meaning you don't need to be a big whale to be eligible for the revenue share. They recently posted to X that last week they sent out just under $1,500 to eligible holders, so people got paid just for holding the token, which is pretty cool. Remember, this is a small project. Once it starts to gain momentum and people start seeing the value in the use case, as revenue share will only go up and will essentially compound, and we could see high revenue shares being distributed amongst holders. The way the revenue share works is that 80% of the platform's earnings are distributed, and there is also a 1% reflection reward tax where all holders are eligible. Now, let's move on to the next reason I am bullish on OXN, and that is the team behind the project. It is clear that the team is dedicated to developing OXN. Even when the Twitter was down, the team was communicative on Telegram, trying to clear as many doubts as possible. There are constantly new developments. I wouldn't be surprised if we see more partnerships and use cases coming soon for OXN. And similar to this, the community of 0xN is very strong and bullish. If you take a look at their Twitter account and Telegram community, you will clearly see this. And moving on to the final reason I am bullish on 0xN is that it is a security token. I think that security and cybersecurity projects will be a big market narrative in 2024. The thing is that this market narrative doesn't have any clear tokens that will spearhead it, and I think 0xN could be one of the biggest security tokens in the market. The entire cybersecurity market cap is currently $485 million. If you have been staying up to date with recent news, you will see there have been lots of outages and rumored cyber attacks on various countries and infrastructures. I think it is clear the cybersecurity crypto narrative could become big, similar to how the AI narrative was kickstarted by ChatGPT. And with that, we could see that total cybersecurity market cap hitting the billions and 0xN being a huge percentage of that. Now, whilst OXN is more of a privacy token, it is also a security token as it protects its customers from a form of hacking. So how do you buy OXN? The way you can buy OXN is the same as any other Ethereum chain project that isn't on centralized exchanges. You need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. I personally use MetaMask, and I also use the MetaMask Chrome extension. You will need to have your wallet loaded up with Ethereum. To do this, you can send Ethereum from one of your centralized exchange wallets or buy with a card through MetaMask's fiat payment providers. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, you will need to connect the wallet to Uniswap, and you will need the wallet's Chrome extension to do this. Then once your wallet is connected on Uniswap, you will need to find the project on DexTools, and then simply copy the contract address by clicking this button, and then go back to Uniswap and paste it onto the bottom section. From here, it is pretty simple to follow. You just type how much Ethereum you would like to use, and Uniswap will ask if you want to swap your Ethereum into OXN tokens, and you just have to confirm it. Make sure you have enough extra Ethereum in your wallet to cover the gas fee, and I would also recommend putting your slippage up a little bit. I personally keep mine at 5%, but some people would say that is high, so do some research on this. If you want a direct link to the project on DexTools, then be sure to check out the link in the description. I have decided to start putting the project's links in the description, as people have commented that it is easy to accidentally buy the wrong coin. But what are my price targets? I think that with the upcoming developments, it is likely that 0xn could reach a $10 million market cap very soon, and if the project continues to grow, I think it could go even further and reach the 50 to 100 million plus price targets, especially as it looks like we could be approaching a bull market, and if the team keeps working on the project, I see no reason why this project couldn't go further and end up being one of the biggest security tokens in the entire market. The use case is amazing and the project has potential to be used by thousands of people who are invested in the crypto markets. So we are gonna have targets of $10 million, $20 million, $50 million, and $100 million. Now, of course, these are my speculative and vague targets. Your situation is different from mine, so obviously just take out profits whenever you feel comfortable. Now let's calculate how much you could make from all the possible price targets. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price and the project was to hit the $10 million market cap, you could make up to $1,700 in profit. Moving on to the second price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price and the project was to hit a $20 million market cap, you could make up to $4,400 in profit. Moving on to the third price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price and the project was to hit a $50 million market cap, you could make up to $12,500 in profit. Moving on to the fourth price target, which is a bullish long-term target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price and the project was to hit a $100 million market cap, you could make up to $26,100 in profit. But please remember, these are speculative targets. As I said earlier, take profits whenever you feel comfortable. Now I have bought and will hold the project, but this doesn't mean you should just buy in. Please do your own research on the project and come to your own conclusion. More details about the project are in my Telegram group linked in the description or in the pinned comment. But 0xn isn't the only crypto project you should be looking at right now. I recently picked out the best crypto projects that could perform very well in the coming weeks and months. If you want to find out what these projects are, then simply click the video on screen now. The video is filled with information and has a lot of value.